Hi guys, it's SwitchBot, and if you're someone who likes the idea of having a smart home setup but isn't quite sure where to start or simply aren't that tech savvy, then this video might be a great stepping stone for you. SwitchBot reached out to sponsor this video to show you guys their latest line of products, and two main ones in particular which might be game changers for you. Drop a like on the video, it really helps, and sub if you're new to the channel and love everything tech. So firstly, they sent across a whole host of products and we will cover them all, but the great thing about all of them is that you don't have to have a super modern, high-tech new house, which is smart orientated with all the mod cons, because SwitchBot is designed for entry-level smart home enthusiasts. Affordable, easy to set up and use, and can be integrated into traditional fixtures and fittings built prior to this modern world that we now live in. Take this SwitchBot Bot, for example. This can be fitted to switches all around your home, from TVs to coffee makers to light switches like I've got here, making them smart in seconds. Now, I have two main switches in my studio, so I've used two bots, and they are not just one button, they are two-way switches, so I've also attached this little extra tag that comes in the box. So once you've selected switch mode in the SwitchBot app, it actually pushes and pulls the switch to turn it on and off. This SwitchBot app is available on the Google Play Store and the iOS App Store and is incredibly easy to set up and use. You can add devices using the plus icon, and then by following simple instructions, it will lead you through exactly what you need to do until you're ready to rock and roll. Again, we're talking about stuff that even my wife can do, and she is about as tech savvy as Dottie, my cat. You will also notice in the app I have a device to control my curtains, which brings me on to another of their products. Now, I mostly have blinds around the house, but I do have this curtain right here, which behind it is a set of double doors which I can open if needs be to bring stuff in and out. So being able to do something like this is pretty handy. Alexa, open the curtains.
Okay.
More on voice assistant capabilities in a second. The SwitchBot Curtain is the world's first retrofit smart curtain solution and has been awarded the Good Design and Idea Award 2020. It comes with a list of accessories too that may or may not come in handy depending on which style of curtains you actually are attaching it to. And again, this setup is super simple. Once you've chosen your style of curtain from the options, you then calibrate it so it knows which direction you want the curtain to open and close from and how far to move for the optimum experience and accuracy. Again, once you've set it up, there are multiple ways that you can actually use it. I've shown you one of them using my voice, but you can also choose to use the simple open or close icons, use the slider, and you can even go to your advanced settings and allow touch and go mode, where the device will kick in if it feels like you've initiated the action of open or closing your curtains. And there's also a light sensing option as well. You have things like delay, schedule, and motion mode within these settings to get your SwitchBot curtain working in the best way that suits you. Now, for here, the width of where I've got my curtains is slightly weird, so I've had to customize the actual curtain pole, so it now has an extender. What's great about SwitchBot Curtain is they do offer this additional piece, which once wrapped around that join, provides a smooth transition over the differing width areas. Installation literally takes 30 seconds, no screws, nuts or bolts, all real DIY needed, which is great. And the battery can last up to around 8 months as far as I'm aware, but if you do use the solar panels, you don't have to worry about battery charging at all. As well as the app, the SwitchBot curtains can also be controlled using the SwitchBot Remote and voice commands using Alexa, as I've shown, and Google Assistant. If whenever I say, Alexa, your machine goes off, I apologise. I'll try and stop saying Alexa. I've said it again. I will stop now. I won't say it anymore. Connecting she who won't be named up to the SwitchBot Hub Mini and enabling the SwitchBot skill on the Alexa app adds that added wow factor to impress your mates or a potential love interest with this bit of craziness. Watch this. Alexa, turn off the back studio lights.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to set the romance mood right there, then you can do it. If you want, the romance mood is on. You can also schedule curtain opening times if you have alarms set, etc. to start your day. Although I have kids, so the chances of getting a line these days are next to nothing. I've just realised the lights are still off. So Alexa, turn the studio backlights on.
Okay.
And we're back. The Hub Mini can connect to your home appliances and take the place of IR remotes as well. So you can control your electrical appliances like TVs and air conditioners, for example, on your smartphone even when you're not at home. So if you forget to turn off your air conditioning, for example, when you've left the house, you can, wherever you are, turn it off, so you're not wasting electricity, if you know you don't need that cool temperature. And speaking of temperature, amongst many other things, the SwitchBot Thermometer and Hygrometer can also be set up to alert you when certain temperature and humidity levels have been hit, so you can automatically turn on your AC or humidifier at that specific time, via the scene feature in the app, or connecting to IFTTT. Now, SwitchBot are currently running a Try SwitchBot campaign, so they are providing some great discount offers, and I will leave all the information in the video description below if you're interested in any of these products. Let me know what you think. Are you a smart home enthusiast and haven't really known where to start and want something that's quite simple and easy and affordable to use? Let me know. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new to the channel and love everything tech. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Do just what you want.